City Select can be used from birth with a carry cot, or you can use it with a carry cot and a seat unit, or 2 seat units. To set the pushchair up, place the chassis on the floor, unclip the black catch and lift the handlebar. Clip the carry cot onto the chassis. The City Select has a hand-operated brake. You'll find the lever on the right handle. Simply pull the lever up to engage the brake. To release the brake, press the grey button and fold the lever down. To extend the handle, just hold the large grey button in the centre of the handle and pull the handle out. To change from single carry cot mode to single stroller, remove the carry cot and remove the black caps on each side of the chassis. Clip the seat unit onto the clips. If you're using the seat unit, now's the time to select the recline position. There are 3 to choose from. To set up the carry cot and seat unit mode, you'll need to insert adapters into the front chassis clips. Unzip the 2 zips on the basket to create space for the seat unit. Place the seat unit on the adapters. Place the carry cot on the upper part of the framework. To collapse the chassis, simply lift the folding hinges on both sides. Lift and fold the chassis. Fasten the single black catch on the chassis to secure closed.